How to fix Instagram can't create account right now. Let's jump right into the steps. First, you want to open Instagram and reach to this page where it says create an account. Sometimes the username that you put is already taken, so you have to select it from the suggested ones, or you can change it to others according to yourself. After there is a green check mark, you want to tap on done. Create your password and then tap on next. Tap on complete sign up. But sometimes you will get a message that says Instagram can't create new account right now. Then you want to tap on OK and then tap on add phone number. You want to add your phone number or email here. Then tap on next. A verification code will be sent to the email that you want to copy it and paste it here. Do the further procedure, tap on skip or continue for get Facebook suggestions. Now you want to go ahead and discover people by following them and then tap on next. And that is how you can create a new account and solve the problem of fixing Instagram can't create an account right now. I really hope this video helped you out. Thank you so much for watching till the very end.